in a rush, girl. It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? Cause I'm gonna slow it down. Beat it up, go down. Beat it up.
Okay, so I'm recording a new intro because I think I'm really gonna post this makeup look. Oh, little disclaimer, this is my favorite lip gloss ever. But I'm literally sitting here waiting for the sun to set in like our workout room. There's my mom's elliptical back there, so I can get pictures for the thumbnail because I've been really slacking on getting some freaking pictures for this look. So yeah, I'm actually kind of digging it. It had to take a second to really like focus in on my eyes and set in my eyes. My inspiration for this look was actually Heartbreak on a Full Moon by Chris Brown, like that whole album. If you see on the thumbnail that I'm standing right here in my YouTube channel or on my YouTube thumbnail, then you know I got, oh, it's really starting, that I got my YouTube thumbnail from here in golden hour. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye. So to get started, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to make this look. I'm going to be using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette that I used for my Simple Glam look last week. I'm going to use my Naked Heat palette that I got around Thanksgiving time. I'm going to use this Urban Decay palette that is acting like a mirror right now, and I can actually see myself, that I got for like Christmas, I believe. So yes, it's a lot of Urban Decay. You can tell what are my favorite makeup brands. So yes, yes, yes. The album color or cover color, whatever you want to call it, has a lot of blues, pinks, reds. So we're just gonna go for it. I'm going to his concert in like July, so I was like, let me try to recreate it. Gonna go in with this blue right here. Working in my crease, this is what it looks like. I was going and I was like, ooh, let me try this, and I started doing it and I realized, like, sis, like, you forgot to push record. So I'm going with this color and going inside my crease, really darkening up to make my eye pop before we go in with the pink, which we're going to use the pink family over here. I'm definitely getting a Ariel vibe right now. Hello. Alright, so now that I have the blues for the most part looking the way I want them to look, and I know it looks like really rough, but I'm going to clean it up with like a makeup wipe and all that. We are going to do a cut crease today, and I'm not really familiar with cut creases at all. I know I kind of just make them up sometimes, and I say like I did a cut crease. I'm going to put my concealer on my lid. So I'm just gonna go in with this one right here and pack that on top of the blue. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is go in with this red, very vibrant red. You can see how vibrant it is. You can see, watch me. Yeah, that's what we're going to go in with. And we are going to go in with this Urban Decay brush that everyone has because it comes with like all the palettes. And I'm going to put that dab smack in the middle. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the Tarte spray, spray it, and I'm actually not spraying my mirror this time. Go me. So, but I did spray my mouth and that was not tasty. So I'm gonna get the red and just build. And just finish it off on top once again to give it more of a blended look. Boy, Fallout Mary is real, and this makeup look is not the bee's knees. I'm gonna go ahead and go with my lashes. Okay, so after I finished recording the video, I realized that I forgot the main part, which was the red to tie up all the Heartbreak on a full moon inspired makeup look. So right now I'm just applying the red from my Morphe palette to really tie it all together. Alright, so we got to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I know it was really like everywhere. I didn't even know if I was posting it. I was like, what in the world am I doing when I was recording it? Ooh, it's really starting going how it's starting. If you watch the beginning, you know I just filmed the intro. Oh wow, it's really starting. You know, I just filmed the intro and I said like I'm waiting for golden hour, blah 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 blah, but it's really starting right now. So thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I will definitely be making some more looks. Just tell me what kind of inspiration you want. I can do like anything really. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.